ẹ káàbọ̀ sí orí ìkànnì ẹwọ́ fídíò tó wà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ máa ṣe máa pẹ́ fún yín ní fídíò yìí oríṣiríṣi ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ ló jáde nínú ẹ̀ ẹ̀wọ́ ẹni yìí tó oríṣiríṣi ọ̀rọ̀ àṣírí ẹ̀ farabalẹ̀ kẹgbọ́n nǹkan tí ẹni yìí sọ láti òkè dé ìsàlẹ̀ ẹ ti mọ táwa ṣe máa ń ṣe bíbá ìpínlẹ̀ táwa kò bá rí àwa kì í sọ ẹ dábọ́ wá sí bí wọ́n ti wá sọ adẹ́kẹ́ àti ṣèwádìí dáadáa lórí ẹ̀ kí a tó sọ ẹ̀wọ́ tó bá dé ké ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ ní ẹ̀dá àkùnmá lórí ìkànnì ẹ bá wa like subscribe kẹ́ share àwọn fídíòs wa kẹ́ bá lè máa jẹ ìgbádùn àwọn content rẹ̀ ẹ̀wọ́ ká má fi ọ̀pá pọ̀lọ̀pọ̀lọ̀ ká má fi pé jù ká má fi àwọn kò ṣòfò ẹlẹ́ka tó ojú abẹ́ kò.
I saw people sending me message pé sis VDM ti gba body VDM ti gba body. I was like, and I've learned a lesson that says lára láti gbọ́rọ̀ lọ́ra láti fèsì. At my own convenience, I decided to watch the video. I watched the video. I'm going to be playing the video to you. Two things I want VDM to know tonight. VDM, somebody cannot be Awade in your cooking, Awade VDM. For you to get to the top today, let me tell you, it's by the glory of God and it's by the glory of the voiceless people. VDM. If not for God and people like us, people like me and you, people that still want Nigeria to be better, you will not be there. All those olórí burúkú olóṣì tó máa ṣọ́kú máa wọ́n mọ̀ ẹ́ lójú. But no, I want you to remember when you started this course, Paulo came out to support. Paulo forgot that he's a father. Paulo forgot that he has a son, he has a daughter. All support Olori Buku Yabojo, despite the fact that Paulo knew all along that Yabojo was lying, manipulated justice from Mohbad, took justice from Mohbad from the real justice of Mohbad seekers, and distracted us just because Oboti Naira Marley gba yìí di ọmọ ẹ̀ ó fẹ́ wá gba ẹ̀san yẹn àwa kan la sọ pé kí ìyá àtọmọ kan useless kó jẹ́ pé òbò lọ fi ń ṣe ó sọ pé òun àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ lọ sílé Naira Marley ẹ bá mi Ìyábọ̀ Òjó lóṣì oníṣìnà onínàbì ṣé Shoprite nílé Naira Marley ni tó fi ń rán ọmọ ẹ̀ Priscilla lọ síbẹ̀ ẹ bá mi bí ṣé Shoprite nílé Naira Marley ni ó ló máa ń rán Naira Marley lọ síbẹ̀ ibi tí ọba rán ọmọ lọ nǹkan tó bá fi ṣọmọ láyè jò ń bẹ̀ ni gbogbo alámọ̀ pé Naira Marley egbògi olóró àwọn nǹkan tó ń tà nìyẹn ó rí pé nǹkan tó ń tà nìyẹn kó tó máa rán ọmọ lọ́bẹ̀ ẹni tó ń tà rẹsì tó bá rán lọ síbi tó ti tà rẹsì ìrẹsì tó máa fi ṣe lálejò oníṣíbi tí máa rán ọmọ ìlú lọ olè tó máa ń ṣe é náà nìyẹn olórí burúkú ọmọ nǹkan tọ́wọ́ bí ò tó máa fi gàngàn fà á just because you want to stay relevant on the social media. ìwọ kan náà ló bọ́ tá à ń jọ sí ẹni tí olú ọmọ ṣe báyìí o máa ń ìwọ ṣáà ló máa wà ní in the middle of wickedness, in the middle of evil. Am I communicating? Now, VDM, I'm coming back to you. If there is no people that truly want Nigeria to be better, and truthful people among us, VDM, I'm telling you today, Paulo would have brought you down. When you started this justice, we all saw the chart you brought out. We didn't know anything, VDM. You came out and you said you paid 20 million to get those videos, those WhatsApp group, to revisit what by Mohbad. You started well. Everybody prayed for you. You came from Jiga. You said a lot about Jiga. You said a lot about Mohbad, Davido's PA. When it's come to Ìyábọ̀ Òjó, you said you are omitting some parts. VDM, if not for people like us that love you and God, you will be a nobody today in Nigeria. I am telling you, because people like Paulo, they don't want you in the surface of social media again, because they knew you are exposing them. None of them, like, out of 100% of all those celebrities, it is just 5% of them that likes you. Vivian, I'm telling you this. I know you are a young boy, you are 30. So you won't be knowledgeable enough. You might be intelligent, but you are not knowledgeable enough. Just because Polo is calling you now to romance you, you are telling your audience, Vivian, we never called you to come and wake this thing up. We through justice stickers, we have been fighting this thing for 3 years. They attacked many people. They came for many people. I told you Iyabo have another group that were attacking people's children. You said it with your mouth, Vivian. You said if we know the way they attacked Mohbad's father, you didn't even think about your followers. You are thinking about just one bemora Polo did for you. You are saying I won't say this again. Vivian, let me tell you something now. So far that message is out. Another everything on that message out. I can assure you it might take time. Vivian, I'm not forcing you. Yeah? You disappointed a lot of your followers. Vivian, let's listen to what he said today. I want to bring something out of it. When I watched that video, I was really disappointed. Vivian, this is what you have been fighting against. Manipulation, making people that less privileged people not to be relevant. And you said they are begging you. You know what disappointed me most? You said one of your auntie called you and said, hey, leave Iyabo alone. If it were to be your family, Mohbad, sorry, Vivian, if it were to be your family, will you tell us that your auntie called you not to talk about it again? Yeah, I'm disappointed in you. Look at me very well. I'm an activist. I'm an activist in my own way. The only thing is that I don't have time for coming out or doing Vivian. Even people know me, even if it's my mother. I spill it as it is. I don't want to listen to people to beg me. Why are you begging me? Gbogbo ente de lo ba video te nbe e ma shonku ni akobi yin ma ku abi gbe yin ma ku gbogbo ọmọ tó tara yin jáde gbogbo ọmọ tó tara yin jáde ma ku ni lórúkọ Jésù. Now, no, don't let even if he doesn't want to spill it, leave it. The voice, the messages is coming back. Trust me for that. And trust me, friend. Even if I said something, I put something on the platform on my updates. I said, VDM, even if you don't want to play it, give it to me. Now let me tell you something. Let's play something. I want to play what they said before we started. Even if he doesn't want to do it, he should not come and rub it to our face. No, that is not how it works. Even if he doesn't want to do it. If they say who is one of the lovely people that loves him, people that support VDM back to back, I will say I'm one of his mad supporter, mad followers. You should respect people. You should respect your followers. Even if we are nobody. VDM, God gave you the platform. We are all speakers, but God gave you the platform. So if you are telling me now that Polo, let's talk, it's so disappointing. VDM, it is so disappointing. I'm not telling you not to talk to Polo, but you promised the public that you are going to put that thing out. Why are you covering for them? Why? You said it that if we see what they did to Mohbad's dad, even if you don't want to bring anything out, bring those things out. If not for God and people that love that man, that one would have been a dead person now. VDM. Wọ́n pa bàbá yẹn sáyé, ọpẹ́lọpẹ́ Ọlọ́run àtàwọn olólùfẹ́. Even if you don't want to bring anything out, bring what they did to that man out. Let's play what he said, then we'll talk about it. I'm going to be playing what he said. Iyabojo, let me just bust all of you's bubble. Naira Marley is not backing down. Naira Marley ò gba ẹ̀bẹ̀ Iyabojo is not backing down. Olórí burúkú ni Iyabojo. Aláyé bàjẹ́ ni. Iyabo is evil. Iyabo is devil incarnate. I can see some olórí burúkú tó ń sọ pé is it about Naira Marley? This is not about Naira Marley. It can happen to anybody. We would have gotten justice today. Iyabo knew what by Mohbad, and she was still backing Wunmi. She was still celebrating Ashana. She was still supporting her, and you know, lying on that man. She was still. Iyabo knew what was happening. She was coming out to make a mockery of that man. This is not about Naira Marley. Iyabo can do it to any of your family. She knew what happened and she diverted the public. And some bastards are praising him, celebrating Iyabo. Iyabo, oh, ni shiorire. Abo fi shiorire. Iyabo lo fi shiorire. Aláṣẹ́wó lè bímọ. Aláṣẹ́wó lè ṣèyàwó. Oh, ni kúre. Ìkànnì. I detest you with passion. Ìkànnì. Báwo ló ṣe ń sùn lálẹ́? Báwo ló ṣe ń sùn lálẹ́? Ẹ wo nǹkan tó ṣe fún bàbá yẹn. Tí ò bá ń ṣàwá tá ń jáde láàárọ̀ lọ́sàn-án lálẹ́. Àtẹ̀yìn public tó máa bá mi da fún tẹ̀lé sọmọnù. A ti pa bàbá yẹn, a ti pe bàbá yẹn lóríṣiríṣi. Àṣẹ́nu gúùpù yìí lọ ti ń plan ẹ̀. Let's listen to video. I'm coming up with something. Please bear with me. I want to go to the page. Even if the video stop talking, it doesn't stop us anyway. We have been talking since 3 years ago. We never got tired. We never relented. Am I communicating? God just used VDM to come and expose everything VDM had been talking about. If you all can remember, I said 90% of it. I said 90% of it already. I never saw any WhatsApp group, but my instinct tells me a lot. The DNA, I got it live. I got the DNA live and I put it out there. VDM, I just want you to know that you are always saying it that you have massive followers. It is not you, it is God and people like us that stand by the truth. It is not about fighting for Mohbad alone now. You see anything you do, we are always there to celebrate you, to support you. VDM, it is not because of the chat group. It is because of all you do. So if you want this justice for Mohbad that you are protecting Iyabo, to ridicule yourself, because people like me, if truthfully you are not going to come out with those WhatsApp group again, what happened in the WhatsApp group, VDM, I will still support you, but my trust, my love for you, my trust for you will be doubted, because we all could see that we are following you, because we could see that you say it as it is. You are a voice to be reckoned with. You are a voice for the voiceless, and you have the platform. Your integrity will go down the drain for Iyabo's resurrection of integrity. VDM, think twice. It's not because of Iyabojo. Many people will be disappointed. Many people, you know, they will not trust you again. VDM, you are saying, Oga Polo, Kiniko, do you know if not for God and people like us, Paul was ready to make you a nobody on the internet again, the same way Iyabo is behaving. Paul came out and told the public, told those big supporters of yours, told to the Edmonds, called all the people that were supporting you. She said, Paul said they should choose between you and him. This is what they do behind the scene. They will don't support that guy again. They want to bring you down. We were the people fighting up and down, updating. Ikpe Paul, F off. We stood by you. This is the time to pay us back. Give us that justice. You can do it. We know it's true God. VDM, you can do it. I remember there was a time your brother was advertising for a landed property, a company. You came out and told your brother, you said, let me tell you, if anything happens with people that are buying land, I will come out and drag you. If you want to come out to drag your brother, I see no reason why you should not stay on your truth. VDM, because you don't know me very well. I love you so much, VDM. I love you so much. I love you so much. Don't let people like Paul. Paul knows what he's doing, VDM. That is why they are praising you. Behind the scene, they are laughing at you. Because people are now saying, I was reading comments. People are now saying, oh, you don't have anything. Let me tell you, VDM has a lot. I can tell you that. VDM has a lot. A lot that Toba Bejade, and he's gonna bring it out. What is good for the geese is good for the granders. VDM, you have to bring it out. You have put the gun out there. You have put Mohbad's PA out there. Let Yaba be out there. If you are protecting her, you don't know what's gonna happen to again. VDM, don't disappoint your followers. Don't disappoint us. You have to finish it. We never come to you. We don't know if any WhatsApp group exists. You came out and you gave us your promise. VDM, your word should be your bond. Spill it out. Spill it out. We love you regardless, VDM. We love you regardless. We love you regardless. Olórí burúkú tún di ignorant. Ìyẹn bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní gbé fọ́tò ọmọ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. Olóṣì dáńkú. Àwọn olórí burúkú. Do you think that is gonna change our mind? Àwọn olórí burúkú ni gbogbo yín ni. Àwọn olóṣì. Ìyábọ̀ did everything to cover up her shame. Ó lọ jó ilé níná. Please, nobody should call me. I'm on the video. I'll block you. Please don't call me. Olórí burúkú ó lọ jó ilé níná. Let me bust your bubble now. Naira Marley is not backing down. Number one. Eba mi mu yẹn dání. Number two. Iyabo supposed to be in Abuja today. She was supposed to be in Abuja. Ó sá lọ. Ó sọ pé òun ṣe òun ọmọ òun lóyún. She was supposed to be in Abuja today. So just leave VDM. Ẹ jẹ́ kí VDM máa ṣe tiẹ̀. Àbíkọ́ yẹn, we still love VDM. She was supposed to appear in Abuja today. Gbogbo ìtàn ṣe tí Paul olórí burúkú fò kiri yẹn, damage control ni. Okay, let me tell you something. Now, Iyabo Ojo don't want to come out. What happens to Naira Marley? The fact that VDM is playing a lot, you know, showing us evidence that Naira Marley don't know about what happened to Mohbad. Do you know that in every of Naira Marley's picture, they are cursing him. They are calling him a killer. Look at the damages tí Iyabo ti ṣe. Mélòó àwọn èèyàn lábọ̀ tí Iyabo ti jẹ́ ẹ̀rí kúre gbogbo yìí tẹ́lọ́ sọ pé tẹ́lọ́ ń bọ̀ Iyabo. Ọlọ́run ò ní bọ̀ yín. Ọlọ́run máa rin gbogbo yín wò ní. Ikú ló máa pa yín. Ṣé VDM ló wá sọ fún yín pọ́n ṣe díẹ̀ nìní? Gbogbo information tí mo ti fún yín ṣé VDM ló sọ ni? Ọlọ́run á gbé fáwa. Ẹ má worry o. Ẹ má worry. Ẹni kó lórí burúkú ẹ̀ bọ́tà. Ẹni kó bọ́tà kó wá sọ pé òun kò jẹ́ kóun lọ sí Abuja lẹ́yìn. Olórí burúkú sá lọ. Ó jump bail. She jumped the bail. Ẹni kó bọ́tà kó sọ pé mo parọ́. She jumped bail. VDM, we love you. We love you so much. I just have to tell you as it is. I don't pretend. VDM, I don't pretend at all. I just have to tell you as it is. No, now let's go to let's quickly do what we want to do. Then we take it up from there. I want to analyze something. I'm so sorry if I was upset, but I couldn't. Oh, Bibi Nugon. Because even if VDM wants to do that, he shouldn't rub it to our face. It is an insult to his followers. Rubbishing us, throwing your followers under the bus for that bastard called Polo Olori Buku. Let's listen to him. Yeah, this is VDM. Let's listen to him.
Wait.
Yeah, wait.
Polo, and this is what Polo said in the just lover. Polo.
Oh, sorry.
My platform that this
Oh, sorry.
for one African.
I'm not being sorry. Sorry.
And this is what Polo said in the interview.
I believe that Naraman is not even what I hear or what I'm saying. Naraman is not even in Nigeria at that time. So there's no way Naraman will be part of. Do you understand what I'm saying? The buy of Mohbad.
Did you hear him? Polo joined Daddy Freeze page yesterday, and Polo said he knows that Naira Marley was not around when Mohbad died. Now this is my question. You knew Naira Marley was not around when Iyabo was condemning and saying cancel Naira Marley. Why didn't you stop her? Polo koniba mi da fún ẹ olórí burúkú tó kọlà sóhun bàbá jẹgẹjẹgẹ ó dàbí ilẹ̀kùn dánfọ́. No wonder you are a walking corpse. Look at what is coming from your mouth. I know, look at his Igbotic English. Why can't you just speak in Igbo language? Can translate. I know that Naira Marley was not around. Now this is my question. Naira Marley was not around, and you saw Iyabo coming for Naira Marley. Why didn't you stop her? You even came out to say that they were bullying. It was Naira Marley that was threatening Mohbad. I have the video. I will play it.
Now, Oga Polo, first of all, I would like to say I respect you for coming out to say this. You know why? I am pretty sure say Iyabo don't tell you waiting me.
He's coming out to say it because Iyabo wants to. Iyabo ultimately omiti ton lẹ́yìn ẹja òun. Iyabo mọ̀ pé this is the end. Although we go to the end of the road in the now, it's so natural. You belong to me. Although we go to the end of the road. Polo knew that Iyabo is at the end of the road. And let me shock you. Polo is in that group. I'm telling you what is happening now. Polo is in that group. Polo wa no group yẹn. Let's continue.
She discussed and waiting happen. Let's forget all this media and the damage control where everybody they try to do. Let's leave that one. I'm pretty sure me, you, and Iyabo Ojo now we know waiting day. That is why you decide to do this. But again, for the public,
look at what VDM said there. Me, you, and Iyabo Ojo, we know what is on ground. That is why you have to come to the public. VDM, I want to ask all of you this question. So, if VDM did not expose Iyabo Ojo, Iyabo, Polo, make it make sense. Polo, for the role you play in this justice for Mohbad. You have your own children, and you saw Iyabo lying on people, sending his animals, his dogs, sending her dogs to attack people that are exonerating people that are not there when Mohbad died, and you kept quiet. Olori Buku. Dementia àti setting sínú wèrè kò mọ nǹkan tó ń sọ mọ́. Ẹ jẹ́ ká máa gbọ́ lọ.
Let's take us back to what Iyabo Ojo do. When this thing dey hot, when everybody they find justice for this boy. See what Iyabo Ojo talk. Everybody,
That is Soro. That is Soro. Bó bá ṣe wèrè ẹni London ló wà ò lè gbé wá bíbá ẹ̀.